Raine, I really appreciate how you shoot in an anamorphic format using wide shot and close-ups. And I would like to know, how did you work with the cinematographer to create Rye Lane's tones and style, and which were your inspiration? Because at some point I thought about Barry Jenkins' close-ups, and I would like to know if it was one of your inspiration.
Oh, cool. I mean, I absolutely adore Barry Jenkins as a director. I think he's amazing. But I have a way less glamorous reference for the close-ups, which is a TV show called Peep Show. And what they do, which is, I guess, in a way similar to Barry Jenkins, but for me, this is a comedy, and I kind of, I wanted to sort of reference something funny. And it was a show called Peep Show, which is a British TV show, and their thing is that they always have this close-up shot where the eye line is just above the lens, so that you're not breaking the fourth wall, but you're still in their heads. So that was kind of the motivation for the close-ups. And then all the wides, shooting on wide lenses is just something I love. But the reason I wanted to do it is because I really wanted to show South London in its entirety, and celebrate it and put it as wide as you possibly can, So yeah, I'm glad you liked them.
And do you think that Nathan Bryan's script captured very relatable feelings? I think about the fear of failure, or maybe how we lie sometimes because we won't be judged, as the same happens to your characters.
It was Nathan Bryan and Tom Melia. They co-wrote the film. I think, I think one thing I like, another journalist actually said that Yaz was a villain, which I thought was kind of interesting. And one thing I found really interesting about it was that she does lie, and I think people sometimes lie to make themselves look better, or because they're ashamed of something, and actually she had nothing to be ashamed of, and I think the audience should forgive her for that lie, because she only did it because she just met him and she didn't know how far they were going to go in their day, So I think I kind of relate to that nervousness that she had, and I liked that in the script for sure.
I think that your movie is, of course, a rom-com, but isn't the usually rom-com, and I think that this is one of the reasons it works so well. And I would like to know if you add something to the script to create this unique tone of the movie.
Well, I think tone is what a director does, I mean, the script is the script was a really great story about two people, and it was a really funny, it was really funny dialogue, but it was set in Camden, which is in North London, and I decided to bring it to South London, and in many ways I wanted South London to be a third character in the film. But I worked with the writers for 2 years. I think it was a big collaboration. I definitely feel that I added a lot to it. A director's job is to be in charge of what the film looks like and what it is and who the characters are and how they navigate around the film, so yeah, I think I definitely contributed to the script.
Yes, we'll do anything to get her favorite album back. I would like to know if there is an album you love so much that will put you to do the same.
I think I'm the type of person to definitely not want to break into somebody's house, and unfortunately, I do have a few records, but I just listen to it on Spotify.
Okay. I really love instead having the vinyl. So maybe I'm one of those person who can go inside people's house to get their favorite album back. So thank you so much.
I love vinyl too, but yeah, I don't think I'd break into someone's house for it.
Thank you so much for your time. Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Bye.